Mastering idioms, becoming a top-notch player in English. Hello and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms. Specifically, we'll explore what it means to be a top-notch player. This phrase is a fantastic example of how English speakers use idioms to convey complex ideas in a few words. Let's break it down together and discover how you can use this expression to enrich your English conversations. First, let's dissect the term top-notch. This adjective is used to describe something or someone as being of the highest quality or excellence. The word top refers to the highest position or level, while notch is often used to indicate a level or degree on a scale. When combined, top-notch signifies the highest possible level of quality or performance. This expression can be applied to various contexts, from describing an item, like a top-notch smartphone, to praising a skill, such as top-notch cooking. Now, let's focus on the word player. In the most general sense, a player is someone who participates in a game or sport. However, in the context of our idiom, player can be broadened to refer to anyone who is active in a particular field or activity. This could be business, arts, technology, or any area where skills and effort are displayed. The term emphasizes participation and action within a specific context. Combining the two, a top-notch player refers to someone who excels in their field or activity. This person is not just participating, they are performing at the highest level. They demonstrate excellence, skill, and quality that sets them apart from others. Whether in sports, business, arts, or any other area, being a top-notch player means you are recognized for your outstanding abilities and contributions. To solidify our understanding, let's look at some examples. In sports, a top-notch player could be a basketball player who consistently scores points and helps their team win. In business, a top-notch player might be an entrepreneur who has successfully grown their company and stands out in the industry. In education, this could be a student who excels academically and contributes positively to the learning environment. And there you have it. Now you know what it means to be a top-notch player in any field. This idiom is a powerful way to acknowledge excellence and high achievement. We hope this exploration has not only expanded your vocabulary but also inspired you to strive for top-notch performance in your English learning journey and beyond. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until next time, happy learning!